I welcome you all in the new session of this video, and in this session this person is going to share that this is the period of examination, everywhere the examination is going on, and this person is going to share that all the parents should be very much alert. They should not compel their students, they should not psychologically torture their children. Students ought to be free from anxiety and pressure, because a person who is without pressure and without anxiety can perform better than anybody else. To study hard, as this person has noticed, to focus on the mind properly, this person has noticed there are two things required. There are two things that are required. First thing, peaceful mind. Peaceful mind is essential. If your mind is peaceful, you have maintained your all kinds of things, because your hectic schedule, your distraction from the study can be the key factor to divert yourself from the actual aim, from the actual concentration. And then peaceful mind, and then non-stop study, consistency, the curiosity to learn something, that is very much essential. And for that, this person will suggest you that you just give your children time. By that person can ask a lot of questions, because somebody who has a lot of questions, and after getting satisfaction from the curiosity, they can value something, they can understand the dignity of something, what they need to build up their career. So students ought to be free totally from ignorance of the parents, and then irresponsibility of the parents too. Because to compel someone to do, that is not the fair thing. In this way, you are dominating, hurting somebody else, and to ignore something means you are being irresponsible. You are just avoiding your necessity, your mode of conduct. And that is the worst thing that you can do in your life, because children are like blooming flowers, blooming plants. They need to be nourished, they need to be irrigated. And I hope that opportunity will come, opportunity will go, and for that you will have to survive yourself better than the best. And what can you do without you are living your life in the form of adults, in the form of different kinds of phases of the life, but your children need to be flourished, need to be thriven, and for that just work hard. Your children will be flourished. They will see the Florence, and utopia can come in your house where you care. When you care your children, when you say that forget about the marks, give your 100%, forget about the result, just perform, hope for the best, just perform more than your expectation, just give your 100% and forget about the marks. That does not matter at all. Marks are simply the numbers, and success and failures are imposters. Forget everything. Forget about success and failures. The satisfaction is the ultimate matter for us. And satisfaction means what? Hearty satisfaction? Hearty satisfaction can be obtained by working day and night, by working with honesty, sincerity, and hard work and curiosity. Have a nice day. Thank you all. Enjoy today. Forget about city future. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and above all press the bell icon to get the notification of this person video fast. Thank you.